right, everyone. So good morning, and happy Wednesday. It is January the 28th, 2026. I'm forecaster Chad Martin here. I hope y'all are having a wonderful start to your day. Um, we look here at your latest weather headlines, and we are looking at partly cloudy conditions today with generally clear conditions tonight and winds from the north-northwest at around 10 to 20 miles per hour. All right, so generally not too bad today, but it will be pretty cold out there, I will say. Not to mention, too, on your right-hand side of your screen here, make sure to follow us. Follow Beckett and his page. He is a wonderful friend to me. He is awesome. He's one of the bestest friends I could have ever had. I will tell you all that much. So follow X here, Twitter at Highland Weather X, YouTube at Highland Weather TV, Instagram Highland Weather TV, and follow us on Facebook at Highland Weather. Make sure to check out our Google sites also in Highland Weather X. All right. Now, as we continue to move on here, I do want to talk about pretty much here the ice. All right, so we look here at the pictures during the ice storm to give you an idea. Pretty sure Beckett has put these out here pretty much the day before during his stream, but I want to put out some of the pictures that I found online, not necessarily from our viewers, but just all along different areas of North Carolina here. So shout out to these three areas. Alyssa Cantor on Facebook in Boone, North Carolina. Joseph Hill on Facebook from Southern Pines, North Carolina. And Leslie Hudson on Facebook from Pinesville, North Carolina. Three different images here of what it looked like during the ice storm. Pretty significant here. All right, make sure to send snow reports and images. Instagram, Highland Weather TV. There's everything listed on the bottom there, but very spectacular images here, if you will, that I compiled, that I found. All right, I also want to talk about here our winter storm potential for this weekend. Yes, we are looking at the potential this Saturday, January the 31st, into Sunday, February 1st, for another chances of some snow. Your left-hand side, we have the GFS model. On the right-hand side, we have the ECMWF model, two different models here. And if you look closely into the site of North Carolina, pretty much up here, you can see we kind of get blanketed with some pretty snow. The GFS and ECMWF model both coming into agreement of some snowfall, if anything, definitely around the coastal areas here, Outer Banks area, Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina site. So it's going to have to be something we're going to watch very closely. All right, so definitely keep this in the back of your mind. As we move on here and we pretty much look at our hourly weather forecast, panning it out here from 7 a.m. this morning, pretty much until 10 p.m. tonight. Looking at cloudy conditions this morning, high 21. Sunny from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m., high 28. Around 11 a.m. and high of 36 between 2 to 4 p.m. Dropping down into the mid to low 20s, 8 to 10 p.m. with clear conditions. Looking at our latest weather forecast for today, high of 38 degrees, partly cloudy conditions. Not too bad, very cold out there. Same can be said for the Greenville, Spartanburg, South Carolina site. It will be partly cloudy with a high of 46 degrees, a little bit warmer here. But as we look here into the Charlotte, North Carolina site, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 45 degrees. Going into Toccoa, Georgia, looking at morning clouds, afternoon sunshine, high 48 degrees, might as well say 50, so much more, a little warmer here. And lastly, looking at the Gatlinburg, Tennessee site, high 38 degrees and partly cloudy conditions. All low chances of precipitation, but just pretty cold out there, if you will. Lastly, turning our attention to our 7-day outlook, panning it out from today through next Tuesday. Sunny today, high 41, low of 17. Partly cloudy Thursday and Friday, temps in the low 40s, 20 degrees. tomorrow night, 11 degrees Friday night. Saturday is when we're looking at some of those snow chances, high 23 degrees, low of 6. Very, very cold out there. Sunny on Sunday, only a high 31, low of 10. Monday and Tuesday, partly cloudy, high 36, low of 20 on Monday, and a high of 41 on Tuesday. Look, thank you all for tuning in so much. I hope you all have a blessed rest of your day and stay safe. Bye bye.